One of the best ways to improve the performance of your drone or electric aircraft is to test it in realistic settings. We've partnered with Windshape to offer you the ultimate drone testing lab, complete with an RC benchmark dynamometer and a Windshape wind tunnel. So how does it work? First, the dynamometer is hooked up to your computer via USB. This allows it to connect to our software and give readings in real time. Real-time plots will display thrust, torque, RPM, power, and efficiency. It's also possible to automate your tests using the software's built-in scripting interface. When your tests are done, the data is output into a CSV file where efficiency values are automatically calculated. Next, the dynamometer is set up with the Windshape unit along with any additional measurement tools such as temperature probes, airspeed pressure sensors, or motion capture cameras. Your Windshape tunnel can be built as big as you require, as the wind bricks that produce the airflow are easily stackable. The wind tunnel is then controlled through simple software that also allows you to create custom wind programs. Once your setup is ready, both your wind tunnel and dynamometer are easily controlled with their software. Initiate the desired wind tunnel settings and activate your dynamometer to start your measurements. For more information on drone testing with a wind tunnel, check out our website and contact our sales team for a quote.